what day is it today? Thursday? Losing track of all the days. We just landed in, where are we at?
Antalya.
Antalya. And we're heading to
Cash.
Cash. K-A-S.
It's 3 hours away.
It's 3 hours away. But we're in a private van to take us there, and yeah, I don't know what else we're doing except for, I think, a boat tour tomorrow. Anyway, we had a great time in Cappadocia. Balloon ride was fantastic. Our hotel was amazing. Aaron Cave Hotel. If you go there, stay there. Those guys are awesome. It's a family-owned hotel. We met the father, we met the son. Both very, very nice people. And they provided us food for our trip to the airport. Woo! Woo! Made it! Got a balcony. Beach town. Hey. How's the bathroom? Very good. Alright. Not too far from our hotel. It's right over there to the right. Quick step out. Now we're here, eating some dinner. This is really nice. Surrounded by mountains. I think the ocean's like right over this wall, isn't it? In that direction? Yeah. So. Finished dinner and now we're walking. More walking, yay! It's very hilly here as well. Let's see. Do you know the significance of this stuff? What is it?
From an ancient tomb from a Lycian period, I think. But there's a little section over there you can read.
I wanted to see what you would say first. So when I said, do you know what the significance of the king's tomb is? You said, it's a tomb, basically. I don't know what this floor is made out of, but it's very slippery.
Look. Turn around.
Yeah, you should tell Hida to move here and then we can come visit her.
Okay, Hida, move here.
Hear that? Hida, Tal says move here. We'll come visit you. I don't know. Found an alleyway. Don't know if we're supposed to be here. Look at that. Where are we heading? Some amphitheater. We're going to some amphitheater. An ancient amphitheater. Ancient Roman amphitheater. I guess what's so special about that place is it's sunset. It's for the sunset. Here's the turtle.
Enjoying reading.
How old is this?
Thousands of years.
Thousands of years. Okay. It's a cool spot to hang out in after dinner.
Sunset point.
Good sunset point. Good view. This is a fantastic view. This view is awesome. You got like an island back there. The sunset over there. It's not crowded. It's pretty amazing. Yeah, that's good. Getting some waffle ice cream now and some boba, but they don't have the tapioca pearl boba. I think it's just popping boba, but that's fine, whatever. Oh, look at that. Look at that behind me. Just... Ugh. Big old mountain thingy. On the other side there's water, boats. This is nice. All right, Hida. You gotta come live here.
It's like a Turkish fusion boba tea.
Turkish fusion boba tea.
Does it taste like a chai?
Yeah, it does taste a little like chai. It's good. Check it out. Check it out. Oh, my hand. It's big. Looks good.
Enjoying that?
Yes. Looks like a fabulous day for a boat ride. Sunken city in a castle. I knew where we were going. I just hope I don't get seasick. On our way up to this castle. What's this castle? Some castle on an island in Turkey. But we rode a boat to get here. Saw the sunken city. Water is super blue. Swimming in the water earlier. Super cold. I only got in because I wanted to explore and see what else there was, because it looked like people were going into this cove area. I don't know. I don't even know what you would call it. It's funny because I swam all the way over there and there wasn't anything. I mean, it looked cool, but it didn't lead to anything. Went in there for a little bit and walked right back out. Swam back to the boat. Now we're hiking up to try to get to the top of this castle. Look behind me. Looks very awesome. There's a lot of ice cream shops on the way up. We got four different ice creams from 3 different shops. And we got about 2 to 3 minutes to spare to make it to our boat. Last day in Kaş. Tomorrow's our last day in Turkey. So we're flying to Istanbul later, but man, we're at this beach and it's crazy amazing. Water is crazy blue. This is nice. Nobody's in the water though, probably because it's too cold. There's just people hanging out on the beach, which is what we're gonna do. week. Craved a burger.